You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations in English, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. So let's see how you pronounce this. It depends whether you're talking about the verb or the noun. Now, if it's the verb, it's pronounced sow or sows, right? As in planting a seed, sows. The farmer sows some wheat. Now, if you're talking about the female swine, a pig, it's pronounced sows. The plural is one sow, two or several sows. All right, so sow, sows, or sow, sows. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.